So this project bike, the Lowrider ST-R, is not a new bike to V-Twin Visionary. Harley-Davidson actually hooked us up with it a couple years back. We took it to SBC Performance and built the STP, which we put pretty much an FX-R.P and a Dyna Defender together on a Softail platform, made a cool cop bike out of it, drug it around on the VTV tour for a couple of years. It got crashed in Sturgis. It got shoved to the back of the V-Twin Visionary garage for a little bit. Now it's gonna have a rebirth, and we're starting off with a rear suspension from Progressive Suspension and a badass swing arm from Speed Dealer. Check it out.